ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
As we just saw, most of the rain is gone, but it is still pretty windy
We've
out
had
there.
a pretty disgusting weekend.
Yeah.
Pretty disgusting weekend. Cold, a little bit wet. That is how we're going to continue on for the rest of the night. But as we look at San Diego, we can see, of course, we just have a little bit of cloud coverage left over here in this part of the county. But again, we still have some lingering showers. I'm looking at places like Poway and Encinitas. In Poway, we saw thunderstorms a little while ago that kind of migrated east to the mountains. But in terms of rain totals, they were really spotty, and in some places they under-delivered. That's what we're seeing in San Diego. They picked up just a 1/10 of an inch of rain at the airport. Chula Vista got about 1/3 of an inch. That's what we're seeing from many of those coastal and inland neighborhoods. But looking at the chance of rain overnight, it drops like a rock and gets even lower as we get into tomorrow. Now that's exactly what we see in the rain futurecast as well. Notice how the coast isn't really getting a whole lot. We have a few more showers in store for the mountains more so. And so we may see a little bit more snow, a couple more inches potentially. And so when we look at those watches and warnings, we still have a winter storm warning for the mountains until 11 tonight. But as far as it goes in San Diego, we're still feeling a little bit windy. The coast has a wind advisory that's going to stick around until 8 p.m. tonight. We can see how strong those wind gusts are going to be, especially in La Jolla and up and down the coastline, really, and for inland neighborhoods as well. We could see gusts as fast as 40 miles per hour. That is going to remain the case through the night. And then for tomorrow, the wind is going to be more limited to just the mountains and the desert. So a little bit of wind, not so much rain. That's what we're going to feel in San Diego for the rest of the night. We're going to eventually drop down near that 50-degree mark. Going to keep a little bit of cloud covers throughout the evening. Our inland neighborhoods will see the same trend, eventually falling down into those mid-40s. Then that brings us to tomorrow. For tomorrow, we dry out, but we're not going to feel very spring-like quite yet. San Diego sees a high of just 65 degrees. Inland neighborhoods, warmer than today, still looking for the most part at lower 60s. Into the mountains, a high of 48 degrees. Deserts hitting 74. And when we take a peek at San Diego's 7-day forecast, we can see that we are really, for most of the week, just in between storms. But before we get to the potential storm next weekend, we do have some high surf that's going to stick around. The coastline still has a high surf advisory that's going to stick around until noon. Those waves could potentially be as tall as 10 feet. And then we see this chance of showers racing back for us on Saturday, kind of speeding up throughout the day. So really, if you're looking at the nicest weather in the next 7 days, it's going to be on Wednesday. That's when inland neighborhoods get a little more sun, a high of 69 degrees, not as cloudy as the rest of the week. Into the mountains, they're going to do away with a little of the wind, warming up very quickly, reaching up to 60 degrees that day before the potential for snow next weekend. And into the desert, of course, they're warming up into the 80s, and even they are going to fall back down. So this storm just about done. But as for our timing, we don't have much luck here.
I need warmer temperatures.
Not
this is spring. I need warmer
I'm here
temperatures.
to tell you no.
Thank